Full-size rocker. Outdoor rocking chair, featuring a structured sling-style seat and included carry bag. This portable folding chair quickly and easily folds up for simple storage and transportation. Foldable, compact design. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy powder-coated steel, this foldable chair frame supports up to 250 pounds and features mesh seat ventilation and a combination phone and beverage holder. Spring action rocking technology for relaxation and smooth rocking on any surface. Top reviews from the United States. The most comfortable chair I've ever purchased. I was a bit skeptical and had been searching for a while for a new lawn chair. Checked review after review, and this one seemed to be the best fit. The comfort is incredible. The ability to rock or sit up without the chair pushing you out is so nice. It was just the best purchase I made for this summer. Especially with the canopy top on the hot summer days. If you are skeptical, don't be, just get it.